Welcome to day 27 of our 90-day structures professional series on early childhood behavior, environment, and learning. The title for today's series is Preventing Behavior Problems, the Power of Routines and Smooth Transition. I am Dr. Bashir Ali Muhammad, and as I have said, this is the 27 of our 90-day structures professional series on early childhood behavior, environment, and learning. Let me begin with the practical questions as usual. When do most behavior problems occur? In early childhood classrooms, during lesson, or during transition? In many cases, disruption happen not because children are difficult, but because transitions are poorly managed. Today's message is very strategic. Preventing is more powerful than correction. Strong routines reduces behavior problems before they begin. First, why transition trigger behavior? A transition is a shift from one activity to another. For example, the example includes moving from play to writing, returning from break, changing subjects, cleaning up materials, lining up. Young children struggle with sudden change because executive function is still developing, emotional regulation is immature, attention is limited. Predictability provides security. When transitions are abrupt or unclear, confusion increases. Confusion produces restlessness. Restlessness produces misbehavior. Often the problem is not discipline, it is poor structure. Second, the role of predictable routines. Children thrive in predictable environment. A consistent routine helps children know what happens next, what is expected, how to prepare, how to behave. When routines are clear and repeated daily, anxiety decreases. Lower anxiety improves cooperation. Professional early childhood classroom operate like well-organized system, not rigid but structured. Third, practical strategies for smooth transition. Effective transition management include advance warning. Give children notice before changing activities. Example, in 2 minutes, we will clean up the board. Number two, clear signals. Use consistent cues such as a bell, a song, a visual timer, a hand signal. Number three, step-by-step instruction. Avoid giving multiple complex directions at once. Number four, structured movement. Incorporate movement during transition to release energy safely. Number five, rehearsal of expectation. Practice lining up and cleaning routines regularly. Practice builds competence. Competence reduces resistance. A practical illustration for this day. Imagine dismissing children from playtime abruptly. Stop now. Sit down immediately. Some children will resist. Now compare that with in 2 minutes we will stop. Please finish your turn. Then play a clean up song. The guide step by step which method produce smoother results. Predictability builds compliance. Harshness create tension. Number four, false. Routine reduce emotional overload. For young children, unpredictability can feel overwhelming. Routine create emotional safety. Children who knows what to expect behave more calmly. A chaotic environment produces chaotic behavior. An organized environment produces structured behavior. Prevention is professional discipline. Reflection for educators. Ask yourself as an educator, are my transition rushed? Do I give warning before change? Do I use consistent signals? Do I practice routine deliberately? Strong classrooms are proactive, not reactive. Professional teachers manage system, not just behavior. They used to manage the system, not just the behavior of the children. Tomorrow you can apply this, focus on improving one transition, announce change in advance, use a consistent signals, break instruction clearly, phrase smooth transition immediately, observe whether disruption reduces. Small changes produce noticeable improvement. A deeper insight, when behavior problems decreases through routine, instructional time increases. Less time spent correcting behavior means more time teaching. Order support efficiency. Efficiency support learning. Professional early childhood education is not about constant correction. It is about intelligent prevention. Final thought. Routine are not restriction. They are structures that protect learning. Smooth transition reduces anxiety, improves regulation. Improve regulation strengthens learning. Tomorrow we examine another powerful behavior tools, reinforcement that works. How specific praise shape positive behavior. I remain Dr. Bashir Ali Muhammad. Thank you for your attention. See you on the 28th.